The next few minutes will save you countless hours wasted on bad data and unreliable leads. When comparing the options for lead generation databases and prospecting platforms, Apollo, Lusha, and Uplead are three of the most popular. To know which one is best for your needs and budget, let's get into the cost, access, strengths, and differences of each. Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy and welcome back to our channel. You may be thinking, hey, this guy's from Uplead and he's doing a comparison? At Uplead, we lead, get it, with transparency in our data. And the data on these platforms speak for themselves. I'm here to be the bearer of news, public news, and knowledge. Just like all humans, each of us has our strengths. I'll share the strengths of each platform so that you can make the best decision based on your needs and your priorities. Now, I'm in sales at Uplead, so I understand firsthand how important it is to have an easy-to-use prospector platform, time-saving integrations, and accurate lead data without any obstacles along the way. Spoiler, like bounced emails and email banning. Before we dive into the differences between Apollo, Lusha, and Uplead, let's first cover their similarities, just making sure we're all on the same page. All three services allow people in sales, marketing, and recruiting to find leads and prospect potential clients, customers, and recruits. They each offer free trials or plans and 3 pricing tiers in exchange for credits. If you're not familiar with the credit system, credits generally give you access to information on leads within the platform, but what the credit gives you access to can differ. We'll get into this in a bit. All of the 3 lead gen platforms also offer enrichment tool extensions for prospecting data, information about companies, CRM integrations, and APIs. That's pretty much where the similarities end though, because pricing, data accuracy, and overall, shall I say, getting your money's worth varies so much from platform to platform. All right, now let's dive into the individual platforms and how they differ from one another. Apollo.io, or just Apollo, has a database of over 250 million contacts from over 60 million companies. They claim that their data accuracy allows companies to make up to 10 times their current revenue, but I'll get to the validity of that claim in a second. All right, starting with pricing, Apollo offers monthly and yearly payment plans. They have 4 different tiers: free, basic, professional, and a more expensive customizable plan called custom. The basic plan starts at $49 a month and professional $99 a month. The great thing about Apollo is that these prices are definitely competitive for the market, and you can stay on their free plan for an unlimited amount of time. The free version lets you send 250 emails per day, has a Gmail and a LinkedIn extension, and integrates with HubSpot and Salesforce. Offering such a long-term free version definitely makes them stand out from most lead gen services, which usually only offer short-term free trials. Unfortunately though, Apollo's prices are cheap for a reason. See the reviews for yourself. Between Trustpilot, Better Business Bureau, and G2, Apollo has hundreds of complaints regarding data misconduct and mining their customers' data without consent, unhelpful customer service, and thousands upon thousands of bounced emails due to inaccurate leads, which is interesting considering that they claim to have 85% data accuracy. One user in a lead generation Facebook group stated that their experience is that Apollo only has around 70% data accuracy, while another person said older users were being charged up to 3 times the amount stated on their website. On Trustpilot, over 20% of Apollo's reviews are only 1 star, with dozens saying that their data was stolen and sold. Some reviewers even said that they had stolen their LinkedIn info and created fake profiles, then refused to remove the info when they were asked to. Several of the complaints and reviews have stated that Apollo's contact info is so inaccurate, email providers have actually banned users from sending emails or marked their messages as spam, and not the good kind of spam. I mean, if you like spam. I've never tried it, but it's probably better than your sales team's emails being banned from potential clients' inboxes, right? With Apollo, it may seem like you're getting a lot of credits, but you can only see 1 email for 1 credit. If you want to see any other info like phone number, you have to use another credit. So it seems that Apollo may not be the most trustworthy or ethical lead gen platform overall, and its business practices are kinda suspicious. But if you like the affordability and being able to send, or at least try to send, hundreds of emails per day, you might like their platform. If you found this video helpful so far, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future videos on B2B and lead generation. Now let's move on to the next platform, Lusha, which has over 200 million contacts and company profiles. One of their biggest draws is their collection of over 50 million direct dial phone numbers. They have phone numbers that aren't easy to find so that you can directly reach higher ups at your target companies. Lusha is also seemingly, and emphasis on seemingly, the most affordable lead gen software on the market. Each plan offers similar extensions to Apollo, aside from the free plan, which only gives you access to phone numbers and emails. They also have a pro plan that costs $39 per user per month, but also allows up to 5 users. and a $59 per month per user premium plan. Notice I said per user. The pricing on their site looks cheap up front, but quickly increases if you need to add more people to the team. For example, what seems like a cheap premium plan actually becomes almost $300 per month when you want to add a few more users. Aside from that unforthcoming pricing, Lucia's contact info has minimal data accuracy since they don't do real-time email verification. They claim 81% data accuracy, but some reviewers have stated that they had an extremely low rate. For example, one Trustpilot user said that 30 out of the 45 of the contacts that they downloaded were invalid. Another person said that 0 of the phone numbers they had worked. If you look on Lucia's website at their insights and analysis system, they use their algorithms and machine learning model to auto-complete info based on standard corporate email patterns. But not all emails at the company may exactly be the same. So if Lucia autofills any first and last names, the emails could very well be just flat out wrong. It's just a guess. Similar to Apollo, with Lucia, you could be signing up for more bounced emails. And too many bounced emails mean email bans and being marked as spam. And no, I won't make another spam joke. Plus, several reviewers have stated that their information was sold without consent, with one stating that they had to go to the Government Information Commissioner's office to have their info removed. People have also said that Lucia wasn't easy to use, and that customer service made it extremely difficult for them to cancel their subscriptions. So overall, not great. But if you have only 1 or 2 users on your team, and those initial prices sound enticing, Lucia could be a good option for your business. You might be realizing by now that Lucia may be cheaper, but you get what you pay for. If you're looking for the best all-around services though, don't worry, there is a better option. Enter Uplead. Uplead is consistently the top-ranking lead gen platform on the peer-to-peer review site G2. Our platform has won the side-by-side comparison in almost every category against Lucia and Apollo, from ease of use, setup and admin, to support quality, business partnership, and product direction. We have over 100 million B2B contacts and nearly 15 million global company profiles. But here's what really sets us apart. We're proud to have over 95% data accuracy, and we are extremely serious about that claim. One of our most unique features that allows us to confidently say that is our real-time email verification. It's a big deal. Every time you download info on a lead, we immediately verify the accuracy of it before you download or send that contact to your CRM. If we find that the lead is out of date or incorrect, we automatically remove it from our server and give you your credits back. The bad leads are then sent to our research team to manually investigate and update. I mean, the reviews speak for themselves. We search and analyze millions of public documents to get relevant information. To supplement our data and make it even more comprehensive, we also license data from trusted third parties. To make sure it's constantly up to date, we do a monthly data refresh, which you can learn more about in our video, How Uplead Refreshes Their Data. Also, each credit gives you access to all of the info on each contact, not just the email. Unlike Apollo or Lucia, Uplead also has intent data, which shows you relevant topics that companies are researching so that you can find people who are more likely to buy your services. What sets us apart though is that ours is powered by the ethical and accurate leader in intent data called Bombora. Our video, Uplead's intent data for B2B lead generation, will teach you even more about how Bombora works and integrates with Uplead. So make sure you check that out. Besides intent data, Uplead offers tools like email finder, verification, technographics, profile enrichment, API connectivity, and more, all of which make it even more powerful to use. We have a tutorial on those tools and more in our Uplead Prospector Platform tutorial video, which is linked in the description below as well. And I didn't forget about that price. Our pricing tiers are one of the main things that make us stand out from our competitors. We have 4 different plans that can be paid monthly or yearly, starting at $99 a month or $74 per month for an annual plan. Each tier offers more perks and is tailored to different size businesses' needs. Our professional plan is $299 per month billed annually, and you can add up to 5 users for an additional $60 per extra user. When you take everything into consideration, you can see that Uplead gives you the best value for your money and the most accurate, ethical, and tailored data. If data accuracy and not wasting time and resources are priorities for you, book an Uplead demo or sign up for a free trial. With your free trial, get 5 free leads plus access to our full library of features for a week. It's linked in the description. Why not? It's free. Or head over to uplead.com/YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss when we post new videos on B2B sales and lead generation. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.